In the vast expanse of our world, railways connect continents and cultures. Today, we explore the engineering marvels that span thousands of miles. Behold the world's longest railways, where dreams travel on steel tracks. From frozen tundras to bustling metropolises, these railways conquer all terrains. Prepare to embark on an epic journey through the top 10 longest railways in the world. Our journey begins with the most iconic of them all, the Trans-Siberian Railway. The journey begins in the frozen heart of Russia, along the longest railway line on Earth. The Trans-Siberian Railway spans 9,289 kilometers, cutting through endless snowfields, forests, and mountains, a legendary route that reshaped the world of rail travel. Every mile tells a story of human ingenuity and perseverance, bridging continents and connecting cultures across vast distances. From Moscow to Vladivostok, a journey that spans an entire continent. Where will your next journey take you?
From Moscow to Beijing, two legendary routes stretch across Asia. The Manchurian Line, 8,986 kilometers long, and the Mongolian route, 7,622 kilometers of ever-changing landscapes. Deserts, mountains, and ancient trade paths guide these rails toward the east. Every mile tells a story of human ingenuity and nature's raw beauty. Where will your journey take you next?
Across North America, the Canadian stretches 4,466 kilometers through forests, lakes, and frozen mountain ridges. From the urban pulse of Toronto to the silent beauty of frozen wilderness. Each curve of the track tells a story of resilience against nature's grandest challenges. Far south, the Indian Pacific crosses Australia for 4,952 kilometers, one of the straightest and most isolated rail lines on Earth. Where the outback meets the Iron Road, every journey is an adventure into the unknown. From the frozen north to the sun-scorched south, these railways connect continents, cultures, and dreams.
India's Vivek Express travels 4,233 kilometers from the far northeast to the southern tip, one of the longest journeys on the Asian continent. From tea plantations where emerald leaves stretch to the horizon, across monumental steel bridges that span mighty rivers, through tropical landscapes bursting with life and color, to the sun-drenched southern coastline where land meets sea. And in the United States, the California Zephyr covers 3,124 kilometers, carving through mountains and canyons, tunneling through ancient rock, crossing rivers that have carved these dramatic landscapes over millennia. Each journey is a testament to human ingenuity, carrying dreams across continents and connecting the world through rail.
Do you know? Subscribe to the channel.
In Africa, the Tazara Railway stretches 1,160 kilometers through vast savannas and remote wilderness, through lands where wildlife roams freely.